how to turn on or turn off call bearing on Android. Hello everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your phone app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards three-line icon at top right corner and then select Settings option. From this general section, you need to select Call Accounts or Calling Accounts. Tap Career Related Settings and tap Call Bearings. You need to wait until all the settings has been reading. Once it has been read, you will find all the list of the settings of call bearings. You can turn on any of the button here and then head towards your dialer section where you need to simply type in *31# and you will be notified that your outgoing caller ID service was enabled. So this means you have successfully turned on call bearing on Android. So further to turn off, you have to simply do the same process. Head towards your phone app, select three dots again at top right and head towards settings, tap calling accounts and open career related settings. Open the call bearing option. Now simply toggle the button off and enter your password. And once you have done that, you need to head towards your dialer again and you need to type in *31# and make a call. Once you do that, you will successfully turn off call bearings on your Android. That's it. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.